and 1 male.
Law enforcement warning?
Female Jamie Carol Cleghorn, 42, red hair, green eyes, 504 172 pounds, fair-skinned with multiple tattoos. Wearing black sweatshirt and gray sweatpants. Male Brett Gilman Johnson, 50, brown eyes, brown hair, 506 170 pounds, fair-skinned with multiple tattoos. Traveling with a brown dog. Fled from Milburn RD in Fairview area after firing at police. If seen, contact San Pete County Dispatch at 911 or 435-835-2345. For updates, follow San Pete Sheriff's Office on FB.
What even happened?